Around 50,000 people who belong to Tamil Nadu from several parts of the world have now applied to return to the state through the Tamil Nadu government website. Now, people from several countries, including UAE countries, US, European countries, Malaysia and Singapore have mostly applied for this. 200 people from Malaysia are initially reaching Tamil Nadu on 8th of May. The government has arranged quarantine facilities also for them, since they have to be in mandatory quarantine for 14 days. Sanjeevi, my colleague, joining us with more details on the same. Sanjeevi, given the high number of people who are wanting to return to Tamil Nadu, we've seen the one-week plan which has been laid out by the centre to bring back all those stranded Indians. But what does the situation look like as far as the citizens of Tamil Nadu are concerned? Is there adequate arrangement to bring back all of them who've now reached out to the Tamil Nadu government?
Well, it's a very tricky thing, Crispin, because the demands are pouring in from various countries, and Tamilians have stuck and stranded in various parts of the world, including many countries in UAE, Malaysia, Singapore, European countries, US, and also in countries like Indonesia, who have gone for a tour, as a tourist in the month of February and March. So they have stranded there, and we got an information from the special committee which has been formed by the Tamil Nadu government to bring back these stranded Tamilians, that 50,000 people have applied to come back to the motherland through the website which has been given by Tamil Nadu government, which was in fact announced 5 days back. So 50,000 people have applied to come back to the hometown, is what we have been hearing. So Tamil Nadu government initially arranged one flight which is going to come from Malaysia on 8th, which is on Friday. So it's going to carry 200 people which will land in Chennai, and those people will be put in 14 days quarantine, is what we have been told by the officials right now. There are two choices for the people. One is private quarantine centers, where in fact people can pay money and stay there, and government is also providing facilities, quarantine facilities, where in fact they can use for the free of cost. So it depends upon the people whether they have to choose private or government quarantine facilities, what we've been told. But apart from that, the government is making other arrangements as well. So initially 50,000 Tamilians who have who are stranded in various parts of the world have applied through the website. The Tamil Nadu government is also having talks with the aviation and also with the shipping companies, is what we've been told. In fact, next week we can also expect the Tamil Nadu government to bring back people through ship from UAE countries, what we've been told right now. Crispin.
Oh yes, what is problematic is, Sanjeevi, that though we've seen the plan which has been laid out by the centre, the one-week plan, it is looking at bringing back at least 1,800 to 2,500 people every day throughout the week. But 50,000 Tamil Nadu citizens who are now looking to return. So how exactly will the government, the state government, the centre really look at this remains to be seen. Thank you, Sanjeevi. We'll leave it at that.